Ooh, there she goes.
I told her, I said, it's going to be scary. I don't care what you're expecting. If you've never been this fast on a horse before, it's going to be scary the first time. I told her, I said, but it's like roller coaster scary. When it's over with, you want to do it again. Damn, Erica. He ain't never went an eighth of a mile that fast. That was 11 and change. 12 is fast. 12 is way fast for this track.
Are you timing her?
24 and a half.
Oscar. There she is.
Get out of her way.
.38. She lost her helmet. 50. That's a good work.